This is not a story about bugs. This is a story about the next 10 billion mouths to feed.
In this factory, pressure is measured in atmospheres and in the weight of what comes next.
Concrete. You see a silo. We see a supply chain. You see a factory. We see the future, wrapped and ready to ship.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
This is not a scene from the distant future. This is the first step in a quiet revolution. Farmed cricket protein.
Precision environment. Every variable, temperature, humidity, feed, optimized for growth and health.
Vertical integration. By building up, not out, we reclaim efficiency from a fraction of the land.
After 6 to 8 weeks, the colony reaches maturity. Harvest is a matter of timing, not cruelty.
Restraint is key. Even in harvest, stress is minimized to preserve the final quality.
From living colony to cold processing, the journey is short, the chain is unbroken. Traceability begins the moment they leave the rack. Every tray logged, every gram accounted for. From rearing halls to processing floors, a vertical journey through the factory's spine. 20 feet below, the climate shifts. From humid tropics to sterile precision. Every transfer point is a control point. Temperature, hygiene, traceability, all maintained.
Between environments, airlocks create barriers. No cross-contamination, no shortcuts. Ultraviolet barriers.
The last checkpoint before raw material becomes ingredient. This is where biology meets engineering. The raw harvest meets the first stage of transformation.
Ready on my mark.
The moment of transfer. Precision, patience, and protocol. The next phase begins.
This is where the future of protein takes shape. Not a laboratory, a factory. Purpose-built, meticulously operated.
Entry is ritual. Every employee, every shift, every day. Consistency is the foundation of safety.
The uniform is not a costume. It's the first layer of food safety, a barrier between human and product.
30 seconds. Every time. No exceptions. The science of hygiene is unforgiving.
Air showers remove what hands cannot. Microscopic contaminants don't belong here. Period.
Opal. Every shift begins at the same place, the control panel. Ready, waiting, watching.
Line 3, we are live.
The line is live. Raw material enters the machine. The transformation begins.
First separation. Frass and debris removed before the crickets ever encounter water or heat. Human eyes, enhanced by magnification, catch what machines cannot. Quality begins with observation.
Every rejection is data. Every data point is a lesson. The system learns, improves, tightens.
A gentle rinse, not a soak. Water is a tool, used precisely, then reclaimed.
Surface moisture removed. What remains is pure protein, ready for transformation.
Uniformity is the goal. Every cricket, at the same temperature, the same moisture, ready for the heat to come.
Core processing, your gate is open.
Cleaning and sorting complete. The raw ingredient is prepped. Now comes the transformation that defines the final product.
Core processing. Heat transforms texture, flavor, and safety. 94 degrees Celsius at exit. Every batch, every time.
Zone 3, holding steady.
3 zones, 3 functions. Dehydration, sterilization, and finishing. The cricket becomes ingredient.
Rapid cooling arrests the cooking process. Texture sets. Flavor stabilizes. The window is tight.
Sample received.
Quality is not assumed. It is verified. Every batch, a sample. Every sample, examined.
Microscopic analysis. One batch cleared. The line continues.
Batch 347 approved. Send to milling.
From whole roasted cricket to fine powder, the next transformation happens in a sealed environment.
Hammer mills reduce particle size. The goal is consistency. Every grain, identical in composition. Cricket protein becomes flour.
Dry ingredients loaded.
Formulation begins here. Cricket powder is the star, but texture and binding require precision partners. 10 minutes of mixing. No more, no less. Overmixing creates heat, undermixing creates inconsistency. Precision timing. Extrusion. Heat, pressure, and mechanical shear transform powder into structure. This is where texture is born. Each pellet is a matrix of protein and starch, porous, crisp, and neutral in flavor. A blank canvas for food formulation. A light oil coating improves flowability and adds a subtle richness. Temperature now stabilized at 35 degrees Celsius. Classification ensures consistency. Oversized, undersized, and dust, all removed. Only the target particle size moves forward.
Batch 347, moisture within spec. Real-time quality checks keep the line moving. No waiting for a lab.
Bring line speed up 2% on zone 3.
The nervous system of the factory. Every variable monitored, every adjustment calculated.
Hopper 3 level at 42%. Send more from milling.
From a single screen, one
Hopper 3 confirmed.
Cameras aren't just for security. They're sensors, eyes that feed the digital model of the factory. Automation at the end of the line. Repetitive, precise, tireless. Human workers focus on oversight, not lifting. Wrapped, labeled, logged. From production line to warehouse inventory in under 3 minutes.
Automated guided vehicles. No driver, no brakes, no deviation. The factory never sleeps.
For premium applications, sports nutrition, medical foods, particle size matters. Jet milling achieves what hammer mills cannot. Micron-level precision.
20 kilograms. No more, no less. Precision filling ensures consistency for every customer, every order.
Dough looks good. Ready for forming.
Finished cricket protein becomes an ingredient itself. Here, it's the foundation of a
forming, cutting, cooling. The bar takes shape. Consistent weight, consistent dimensions, ready for packaging.
Texture is taste. Too soft, it's unappealing. Too firm, it's difficult to chew. This balance is measured in newtons.
High-speed packaging. Every bar sealed, dated, and ready for shelf or shipping. The transformation is complete.
42,000. Not a bad shift.
From cricket to bar, from farm to pallet, every number tells a story of efficiency, sustainability, and scale.
Batch 347 samples logged. Starting protein analysis.
Quality control is not an afterthought. It is urgent.
Batch 347 samples logged. Starting protein analysis.
The Kjeldahl method, a century-old standard for protein measurement. Time-tested, trusted, and uncompromising.
64% protein. Nearly triple the concentration of soy. The cricket's promise, quantified.
Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Cricket flour delivers a complete profile. Essential aminos, all present.
Microbiology takes time. 48 hours for conclusive results. Safety cannot be rushed.
Nutty notes, clean finish. Texture improved from batch 346.
Batch 347, approved for release.
A signature, a stamp, 1,000 data points behind.
Cold storage preserves freshness. Here, batches wait, organized, cataloged, ready for the call to ship.
Shipping. Order 4421 is live. 20 pallets to Bay 7.
Digital inventory. Physical retrieval. The warehouse thinks, the machines execute.
20 pallets. 20 minutes. The system retrieves what the order demands. Human eyes confirm before the truck arrives.
Each pallet that leaves represents months of work, thousands of decisions, and a commitment to sustainable protein. Sealed, logged, dispatched. Traceability follows every pallet, from farm to customer. The chain of custody is unbroken. From this facility, sustainable protein reaches markets across the world. The journey of a single cricket transformed into nourishment.
And this is how modern factories produce cricket protein from start to finish. Sustainable, scalable, and here to stay.